my Ziploc face shield up in here, my mask on, making sure I'm not spreading the Chinese bat research fucking virus, even though I've already tested negative for this motherfucker and I can't see shit through this thing. I want to thank everybody for joining me on that live stream this morning. And oh shit, gotta get my brown guy here. Ain't nobody getting me. I got a face shield. That's a face shield. That is a piece of fucking plastic right there, blocking the transmission of any type of contagious disease from me to the outside world. That's it. Folks, if you're not a subscriber on my channel, bottom right hand corner of your screen, hit that open said road sign. Get on board my train. Food, beer, pizzas, bad motherfucking behavior. I'm talking bad behavior. And words of David Allen Coe, I need a little time off bad behavior. Devil let me jump in a sleep too long. Coming up on the checkpoint. See if I can make it to the checkpoint. Alright, here we come up to the check. I can't see shit out of this motherfucker. My God. So it's coming up on a checkpoint. Shields up, shields down. Do it. We made it, folks. We made it. Shields up. Cause I'm rolling in the 5.0. Got some rack top down so my hair can blow. My goodness. It was stressful going through the checkpoint. A little bit stressful.